Final project: integrating my skills. Grammar. Present continuous. The present continuous indicates an action taking place at the moment, but also tells us about things happening over a period of time. Examples: I am playing the piano. They are eating potatoes. Present simple and continuous. The present tense talks about daily activities or routines. Examples: we are repairing our car next week. They are taking an exam this month. My cousin is visiting me next week. Past tense of be: was, were. Personal pronouns: I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Affirmative: was, were. Negative: wasn't, weren't. Interrogative: was, I, he, she, it, were we, you, they. Examples: how much was the ham? Salaries weren't high. Past tense. Past tense tells us about an action that happened in the past and was completed. Examples: he grew up in a tough neighborhood of Tepito. He made it through difficult situations. Future. When we want to talk about future facts or things we believe to be true about the future, we use will. Examples: the president will serve for 6 years. The boss won't be very happy. I'm sure you'll like her. Here is a link where you might find what are you looking for. This is a page where you might practice and review the topics that we have seen here. Technical vocabulary. This is a complex waterfall pneumatic system. In this kind of chart, the challenge is to make a row with the end of race of the cylinders. So, the arrival of the cylinder A makes certain change in the configuration of the valves and makes the cylinder B move. At the end, every cylinder returns to its initial position. As my reflection, all this should be very useful because those are the basis of an English language. Due to that, it's very important to review and have a content practice. So, when you finish engineering, become a person with better opportunities. Thanks for watching.